Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. In the previous tutorial, I explained how you can remove the horizontal and the vertical grid lines from your chart, so it's now set up like this. And in this quick tutorial, I want to explain how you can select different chart types. So in this case, by default, when you open Tradingview the first time, it's set to the Apple chart. You can recognize it by the symbol over here, AAPL. So this is the chart for Apple. But if you want to set it to another chart, you can do that very easily. And in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how it's done. Let me dive right into it. To switch over to another chart, you can click on this icon over here, on the symbol. If you do that, you can see now it's set to AAPL, which is the symbol for Apple. And over here you have a lot of different options. This is all, and over here you can search for a symbol. So if you know the symbol already, for example for Bitcoin it's BTC, then you can just enter BTC. Now you see all the BTC symbols that are available. There's quite a lot. So for example, let's say if you trade on a trading platform like Bybit, then you can select the Bybit chart. What I usually do is I enter BTC and then followed by USD. And then over here you can see BTC USD perpetual contract Bybit. And below that you have the Bitcoin dollar chart for Bitfinex. You have the Bitcoin US dollar for Binance, and there are a lot of different symbols as I already mentioned. But let's say if you want to see the Bybit chart for the BTC USD perpetual contract, you just can click on it, and now you see that the symbol has changed to BTC USD, and this is the chart for Bitcoin for the Bybit perpetual contract. So that's how it works. So let me show you one more time. If you want to set it, for example, to Ethereum on the Bybit platform, you can do the same thing, but now you use this Ethereum symbol, and that's ETH, followed by USD. And over here you can select which chart you want to see. So for this example, I will also select the Bybit chart. So just click on it like this. And over here you can see chart for Ethereum on the Bybit platform for the perpetual contract. This is also mentioned over here. One thing I want to mention is you have other options. You can also search for stock symbols, for future symbols, Forex symbols, crypto symbols, indices, bonds, and economy. So for example, if you would like to see crypto charts, just click on crypto like this. You have to make sure that you remove this over here, click on crypto, and now you see all the crypto symbols that are available. And the same goes for the stocks. So if you click on stocks, you can see all the symbols for stocks that are available. So for example, if you want to see Netflix, just click on it. Now you see the Netflix chart. So that's how you can select charts in Tradingview. So one more time to summarize it, just click on this symbol over here and then make your choice, or you can enter a symbol that you want to see the charts of over here in this search bar. So that was it for this video. There's much more valuable content coming out. I'll start off with the basics on how to use Tradingview, and after that I will go more in depth on trading strategies, day trading, swing trading, technical analysis, basically everything you need to know. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.